It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Sunday, the 21st of October. I'm Michael Groff. Slightly cooler temperatures the next few days with small rain chances around here, but then we will warm up and dry out once more for the middle and latter part of the upcoming week. Let's get out there and talk about it as we look at the almanac from yesterday. 93 degrees for the high in the valley. That was the warmest day we've had since September the 30th. The morning low, 70. Outside right now here at this ridiculously early hour of 4:10 a.m. Who would be crazy enough to be up at this hour? We start this day at 78 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 48. Humidity 36%. The wind from the east-southeast at 11 miles per hour. And the barometer is falling. Temperatures out there right now, 66, the cool spot at Thompson Peak. It's 70 at Mesa, 71 South Mountain. Most of us, though, are in the mid and upper 70s. Water vapor satellite view shows an upper low off of the west coast, and that's going to be our weather maker for the next 2 to 3 days, giving us subtle chances of rain and increasing the moisture around here. The watch warning map, we've got freeze warnings extending from extreme northeast Oklahoma all the way eastward toward Virginia, and some frost advisories as well. Those dip down into parts of Tennessee and the Carolinas too. Convective outlook for today, no organized areas of severe weather across the country, but you do see we're in the green, so we do have a chance of thunderstorms around here. And we'll check out the tropics. In the East Pacific, we've got 2 storms down there, Vicente and Willa. Vicente is expected to remain a tropical storm. Willa will become a major hurricane. Both of these systems will move on to the Mexican coast for some catastrophic flooding potentially. Certainly wind damage will be a threat too, especially with Willa, but we will not see direct impacts from either of these systems here in the southwest. Rainfall for the next 7 days coming from the WPC, almost nothing for us here in the valley, with somewhat heavier rain across northern and eastern Arizona and certainly over into New Mexico. We'll get into the details of it all right now as we check out the models. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. An upper low along the California coast. Little short waves will rotate around that over the next few days. And down at the surface today, partly cloudy skies and widely scattered showers and thunderstorms will be around, especially this morning into the early afternoon hours. But the key here is widely scattered. Not everybody's going to get wet. If you get under one of these storms, it might produce 1/10 of an inch of rain or so. Highs today should be in the mid-80s, a bit cooler than yesterday. Tonight, a slight chance of showers and storms continues. Lows in the 60s to near 70, and then tomorrow, kind of the same setup with that upper low still spinning to our west. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms and highs in the mid-80s. Tuesday, we'll see that low begin to shift and it'll open up. Still, the dynamics will be around and enough moisture will remain for a small chance, probably just a 10% chance of seeing showers and thunderstorms in here. And highs will continue in the mid-80s. So go to Wednesday, we'll dry out. Highs again, mid-80s. Thursday, we start to see high pressure nosing in from the west. And that'll set the stage for a warming trend with highs in the mid and upper 80s. Friday, we could be pretty close to 90 with a ridge coming in. And same thing for Saturday, maybe 90 or even the low 90s around here. And then a week from today, this is Sunday the 28th, a 591 ridge right on top of us. And if that verified, we'd be pretty toasty around here. Highs low to possibly middle 90s. Here's Monday, the 29th, still warm and dry. And then the end of the forecast period, Tuesday the 30th, a cutoff low out there, maybe. But, this has been the month of the cutoff low, so we can't discount this solution. But at this point, not going to worry about it. And our ridge intensifies over the eastern Pacific. We'd still be pretty warm and dry with high temperatures well above average. Speaking of temperatures, let's take a look at those coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. We're toasty with highs staying above average for the next few days, maybe out toward next weekend, and then indications of a small cool down out there toward Halloween and heading into November. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, suggestions, always encouraged as well. Be safe out there and have yourselves a fantastic rest of your weekend, everybody.